Well, at first they were saying a personal shopper. We were figuring that out because here in Rochester, personal shopping to me in our head was like you go and shop for gifts, clothing, and yeah, that type of stuff. But no, but then Tyler, I think it said it was Instacart. But I didn't realize. I thought maybe like she would get like a pop up on her phone saying, "Okay, somebody needs all this, a shopping list," and then she went and did it. But not Leah saying she had to go. Where did she have to go, Leah?
On the app.
No, but I mean, what store does she go to? A grocery store?
Yeah.
Wegmans mostly.
Oh, Wegmans. Is that what that is?
That should be right up her alley. She likes that stuff. I would think.
Yeah, they wanted me to deliver Meals on Wheels.
No?
Yeah.
So that's interesting. So there were so many people that wanted to. That's interesting. Must be taken out. Oh, the job, yes. Yeah. Make your own hours.
Justin Timberlake, Britney Spears.
It's time.
And that's
Your time is worth more